Here we are at Pacific America Lumber, getting ready for a basic coatings demo workshop for HyperTone stain in Hawaii. That's right. And we got Mr. Tim Nathan, our stain technician, finish technician, who is now water pumping this beautiful panel of Santos mahogany, which we are going to show the flooring contractors and flooring companies that are attending today how to kill the red in this. And we have guys that are coming in from the Big Island of Hawaii. We've got guys coming in from Kauai, surrounding islands, and also local companies. This is fantastic. So we're just still a little bit early though. We're still getting some guys who are starting to come in. This panel right here, Tim and I stained this last night with our HyperTone stained white, and we're going to do tint coats to show how to add tint our stain to the basic coatings finishes, and then make this floor even whiter with some tint coats. And then a lot of these panels we're going to do a lot of different colors. And right over here we got a panel of monkey pod, which is going to be fantastic. But some good stuff. That's DJ Alphapada. He put this all together for us at Pacific America Lumber. And I want to thank Chris Need and all of his team for doing a wonderful job putting this together. Basic coatings made in America.